Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II. This ultra-luxurious sedan blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology, delivering an experience unlike any other. Whether you're a Rolls-Royce enthusiast or just someone who admires fine craftsmanship, this review will take you through everything you need to know. Let's begin. The exterior of the 2025 Ghost Series II remains unmistakably Rolls-Royce, with an illuminated Pantheon grille, sleek laser-powered headlights, and a reworked bumper for enhanced aerodynamics. The Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament retracts smoothly, adding to the car's mystique. A sculpted body, extended wheelbase, and redesigned 21-inch alloy wheels give it a commanding yet graceful presence, while new bespoke color options allow complete personalization. Inside, the interior is nothing short of extraordinary, featuring hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents, all customizable through Rolls-Royce's bespoke program. The Starlight headliner now includes dynamic shooting stars, enhancing the serene cabin ambience. The whisper-quiet interior, achieved with extensive soundproofing, makes every ride feel like a retreat. A dual 12.3-inch digital display system offers seamless infotainment, while rear passengers enjoy massaging, reclining seats, personalized climate control, and a champagne cooler, ensuring unmatched comfort. When it comes to performance, the Ghost Series II is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It glides effortlessly, with a satellite-aided transmission that uses GPS to predict road conditions, adjusting shifts accordingly. The Magic Carpet Ride suspension, featuring planar suspension technology, eliminates road imperfections, making the drive supremely smooth. Despite its size, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, delivering power with absolute refinement. Safety is a priority, and the Ghost Series II includes Rolls-Royce's most advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision with pedestrian detection, a 360-degree camera, and automatic emergency braking ensure maximum protection. The self-parking feature allows for effortless maneuvering, while its aluminum spaceframe structure enhances occupant safety. What makes the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II stand out is its unmatched blend of craftsmanship, technology, and exclusivity. The Whisper mode ensures cabin conversations happen at the perfect acoustic level, adding to the unparalleled luxury. Every detail is meticulously designed to offer a driving experience unlike any other. As for the price, luxury comes at a cost. The base model starts at $350,000, but with bespoke customizations, it can exceed $500,000. Every Ghost is tailored to its owner, making each one a true statement of prestige. Conclusion: the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II is the ultimate luxury sedan, combining artistry, technology, and effortless performance. Would you choose this over a Bentley or Maybach? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wheelhouse Wonders for more luxury car reviews. See you in the next video.